How to fix Instagram story glitch easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and after that go to the top here, click on apps, and then scroll until you find the Instagram app. And after you find it, click on it and click on this storage option, and then click on clear data, and after that go back and click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is restart your phone, and then it will be working well for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.